Warsaw, the capital of Poland, is a city rich in history, culture, and resilience. Located on the Vistula River, it has been a significant center for politics, economics, and education. Warsaw, a city that embodies resilience and reinvention. From the air, the Polish capital unfolds like a tapestry woven with history and modernity. Despite being heavily damaged during World War II, Warsaw was meticulously rebuilt, blending historical charm with modern architecture. The Vistula River, a silver ribbon, meanders through the heart of the city. It is the longest river in Poland and the 9th longest in Europe. The Old Town is a bustling tourism hub with cobblestone alleys and medieval buildings reconstructed after World War II. At its heart is Rynek Starego Miasta, a busy square lined with burger houses and upscale Polish eateries. The city's skyline is a mixture of restored historical buildings, Soviet-era architecture, and contemporary skyscrapers, reflecting its past and forward-looking spirit. Warsaw's skyline is a captivating blend of architectural styles, a reflection of its history. Gothic spires pierce the sky alongside modern skyscrapers. Neoclassical facades stand as proud reminders of a bygone era. Each building whispers tales of the past. Gaze towards the city center, where the Palace of Culture and Science dominates the skyline. Palace of Culture and Science is the most symbolic landmark in Warsaw. This landmark, a gift from Stalin, offers stunning panoramic views from its observation deck. This symbol of the past has been turned into one of the largest attractions of today's Warsaw. Turn your attention to the Old Town, where colorful facades and red-tiled roofs create a charming panorama. Rebuilt after World War II, this historic district showcases the resilience of the human spirit. It's a testament to the power of preservation. Have a look at the Royal Castle in Warsaw, a state museum and a national historical monument which formerly served as the official royal residence of several Polish monarchs. Castle Square is a historic square in front of the Royal Castle, the former official residence of Polish monarchs, located in Warsaw, Poland. It is a popular meeting place for tourists and locals. Viewing Terrace, our observation deck, provides a mesmerizing view of Warsaw. The platform is located on the 30th floor of the Palace of Culture and Science. We now move to Rynek Starego Miasta, Warsaw's Old Town Marketplace. It is the center and oldest part of the Old Town of Warsaw, Poland. This lively square is filled with street vendors, cafes, shops, galleries, and some of Warsaw's top restaurants. In conclusion, a tour of Warsaw reveals a city that masterfully blends its rich historical heritage with modern vibrancy. This vibrant city, with its resilience, its beauty, and its history, beckons you to explore further. From the beautifully restored Old Town to its dynamic cultural scene and impressive landmarks, Warsaw offers a unique journey through time. Its spirit of resilience, reflected in every corner, leaves a lasting impression, making it a destination that both honors its past and embraces its future with energy and optimism.